Hey guys, welcome back to the corner, and I am doing another video of entries for the 500 Subby giveaway that I've received. I have opened some of them. This one was already ripped open. And this box here is from Pearl. This one was open. Hopefully nothing fell out. So that's how they were given. This one is from Mama B, Melissa. And I won in her giveaway last week, I think it was, or the week before last. So let me pull these out, and I know she stuck her entries in this, so that's what we're going to look at. Actually, we're going to set this up on the side. We'll go to that. We'll do that last, because there's more to look at for that one. We'll do that one last. And let's see. This one is from Miss Deborah Wilson. So let's see what we have here. I like that heart. That heart washi is adorable. This is for my challenge for the giveaway. This is her 3 entries, a tag, an ATC, and a postcard. And you're so welcome for the opportunity. Good luck in this. So let's take a look here. Oh, that's a gorgeous oh, there's flamingo on it and a pineapple. I'm a like cactus, pineapple, and flamingos. I don't know why, but I think they go together. But oh, I love that. And it's got pink on there, my favorite colors. Oh, and there's cactus. Awesome. Oh, is that stitched? Oh, she stitched it. It's got some gold trim, like gold metallic thread. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love that tag. Thank you. And this is her postcard. Or no, this is her ATC. I think ATC? Yes, ATC. Oh, I love this. She must have seen my videos and knew that I liked flamingos. Oh, I love that. I like the 3D effect. That is adorable. And it says chillin'. Love the background. She used like a magazine image or a book page of grass. So that is so cool. Just for fun, that's Deborah. Okay, I'll have to remember that. Oh, thank you so much. I love that. So there's them too. And then this is her postcard. I like that she sent them in little plastic sleeves. So don't forget this moment. Oh my goodness, where did you get that flamingo stickers? Oh, I love that flamingo sticker. That is so pretty. And this has flamingos and cactuses on it. Love that paper. Oh, it's actually a postcard. Oh, I love that. Thank you so much, Deborah. I'm not going to fiddle with putting them back in there right now. That tag is gorgeous. I love that. Love, love, love. You must have known I like flamingos and such. So thank you. This will go in the box with the others that we have. We still have, oh, let's see, today is the 24th, so about a week left. All of them have to be postmarked. This one is from Miss Mary Forrester. Here is her tag. Oh, I love them. Love the feathers, Mary. Oh, this is gorgeous. And it says, with brave wings, she flies. I love that. And I believe this is some of that glitter washi tape that I had given her. Love it. Thank you, Mary. Love you too. And this is the postcard. I have this paper pack. I love this paper because certain things on the paper pad are embossed and glittery. This says, own your dreams. Good things are going to happen. I love that. This lighting I have going on is awesome, let me tell you. There's my postcard. And she used a recycled piece of cardboard for that. Love it. And this is the ATC. Be original, be fearless, and be you bravely. Oh. Oh, I got the hiccup burp. Excuse me. I love that. That background is cool. I love that, Mary. That rose is gorgeous. It's got a little flatback gem in the middle there. Love that. And she's got lace. There's lace under there. Ooh, love it. And she dyed the lace. I could tell she dyed it. I absolutely love these. Thank you, Mary. So we'll put that in here. And this is from Miss Pearl. Tasha, aka Pearl Manhattan, on YouTube, for those of you that don't know. Hopefully it's all in here really good. We're stuck somewhere. Oh, there we go. Maybe. Okay. Got it. It was stuck on the inside. There's sticky. I love the tissue paper. Excuse me. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, yeah. Choked on air for a second. Oh, oh, it's got glitter. Oh my goodness, that unicorns are adorable. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, thank you, Pearl. I love that. That is so cute. The postcard. So that's the ATC. So this is 3 entries. She did the ATC. All that glitter. Can't see that glitter. Look at it, it's so shiny. Oh, I love that. That washi tape is cool. I like that washi tape. It's my postcard. Oh, look at the tassel on that tag. Oh, love that. That unicorn is just too dang cute. That is awesome. So thank you, Miss Pearl. I love it. So there's her 3 entries. Them unicorns are adorable. Pull that back up here. I'm not going to put it back in the box because it'll get sticky on the other side of the box. So we're just going to stick it on top there. Okay, now we're going to go to Mama B's. And she makes her own envelopes. If you watch her lives, one of her lives, she did the envelope. And I can take this label off so I can keep it because it's from Mama B. And I think yes. I could take off her address too. So there we have it. Ain't that awesome? I love that. So she did a giveaway. And when she was making her entries for the giveaway for this mine, there was a set of 8 was a postcard and stuff that she did. Oh my, and I fell in love with one of them. And I think it was Joyce won it, the first set. And I was like, oh crap. And it's funny because one of them said crap on it and they were just too cute. So, but I'm happy with the ones I got because they're all adorable. So here's my ATC. So this is 1 entry for Mama B. And this is the postcard. So here's the 2nd entry. She's got a really awesome book that she gets these images out of. And it's an awesome book. I love that background. Watching it in video definitely does not do justice in person. It's awesome feeling. Love that background, Mama B. Oh, I didn't realize the background was on that one either. Love it. And then here's the tag. Just 'cause. That's too cute. I think it's deli paper is what she used, but it looks almost like tissue paper, but that is so cool. Love them, Mama B. Thank you. So them are her entries. And then really quick, I'll go through and see what I got from her in her. I believe this is for like the flock swap. So she sent like a Barn Quilt Trails of North Carolina. It's a magazine page or a book page. And here's a printout. Just a magazine page. There's a couple of those tags. Those are cool. So I got those. I think this is drywall tape. Maybe? That's so cool. That would be a cool texture on the jelly plate. Ideas. Excuse me. Yep, I think it is drywall tape. It's sticky right here. Let's see. Does it come up? I think it's drywall tape. By golly. Oh, it is. See? Look. Drywall tape. This would be cool texture on mixed media, too. Baby wipe. This is pretty. The camera does, this video doesn't really pick them colors up. It's fluorescent. Love it. I got a doily. There's some paper bits. Some peony paper bit. And some more peony paper bit. This one's cool. It's got some, looks like bubble wrap texture to it. There's a stencil, it looks like. That one's cool. It's really metallic-y, shiny. You can see that. Some other paper bits. Those are cool. These are pretty. Oh, I like them hearts. That's cute. More painted papers. Shaving cream card. Looks like it's got some shimmer glitter mist stuff on it because it's shimmery. Here's a patterned paper card stock. This looks like wallpaper. A wallpaper book. Magazine page. Imagination. That's cool. Some lace. Magazine page. Oh, that's pretty. Love that. And another page. And this has got like a little farm with a tree that's growing funky. Look at that. See the root of that tree? Or the base of that tree? That's totally weird looking. Cool. Thank you, Mama B. So thank you everybody who has submitted entries for the giveaway. The cutoff date is February 1st. And so if you get them postmarked, it has to be postmarked by February 1st. And that away, and it'll be like, I think February 17th, I think it was when the drawing is. Let me look at my calendar really quick. Excuse me. February. Yeah, February 17th is when we're going to do the drawing. So we have 1 week from tomorrow for the postmark. So as long as it's postmarked by the 1st of February, I will count it in the giveaway. So be sure to get them all in the mailbox soon. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!